I found that many home air fresheners lose their fragrance quickly or require constant manual spraying, so I wanted to purchase this Glade Juniper Teak automatic spray refill for continuous, long-lasting scent. However, I failed to realize that you need to actually have the holder that it's in to keep it fresh. So here I'm manually spraying it. It does come out quite well. I do notice those like a clove, a juniper, a teak, kind of a woody smell, but I needed that continuous spray holder for it to do it on its own. So I've ordered that and it should arrive tomorrow. To me, it's balanced. It's a little bit natural. It's not overwhelming. I think this would be great in a bathroom, a family room. I've always loved the Glade plugins, so I thought this would be a natural extension and just give me the flexibility to spray it when I want or for it to automatically spray once I get the holder. But overall, first impressions, I do like the scent. I like the kind of clove in the depth. I like that it is an easy plug-in replacement once I get the holder to make it automatic and continuous. And I do like the scent coverage. It does last for a while. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.